Introducing the ragamuffin. Mystic Mountain, Bochorius, Jamaica. What have you got for me today? Let's book our ticket, collect our armband, and board the Sky Explorer as we take to the sky. And for all those who are hesitant, a little encouragement is necessary.
Wow. Told them on a swing. Hey! Why do you swing so? Huh? Look here! You have so much to
Close your eye.
so much things to tell. Yeah, close eye.
In a nebula filled with newborn stars, 7,500 light years from Earth, lie the Mystic Mountain, a massive pillar of gas and dust. The 3 light years tall Mystic Mountain gets its name from it. The towering, craggy landscape, which resembles a mountain to the naked eye. Just so you know. Me, one to you.
I don't drive to the bush. You're feeling good, Daddy?
I would like to get started, but I will try and steer me on the right path. Civilization! I hear civilization.
You give us a little girl down. She's behaving to you, you know.
Find them two little girl over there, sir. Find two baby over there. Look in front of her. Find two baby.
Sorry, I'm so flabbergasted.
It's quite lovely here above the trees. And we are blessed with this lovely weather. Let's see what else is in store as we head towards the main building. This is the ragamuffin, and soon it will be our time to be shaken to the core. And here we have some ladies making way to the canopy zip line. There'll be a lot of screaming in the forest today.
Remember to lift the feet, alright?
Alright.
How's that?
Right. Whoa.
Oh,
You're not swinging it.
yeah. Never run a corner.
are heavier than, you're heavier than them. Maybe you should sit in the middle seat.
Me.
They should put some rubber on the
Sure.
Can we come out?
And this is the bobsled ride, inspired by the legendary Jamaican bobsled team. What you say? Cool runnings? And as we make our way back to our starting point, that one was crazy. As we make our way down off the mountain, it's been a good day, an exciting day. Between this chairlift Ragamuffin, Canopy Zipline, the Hummingbird Garden, the Infinity Pool and Water Slide, the Anansi Webb, Rock Climbing, and the Raga Raga. Mystic Mountain have it all. There's so much here to do. It's almost impossible to do it in one day. So if you're looking for some excitement and you're in the area, check out Mystic Mountain.
I'm a baby. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. No, never. Never.
Raise your feet, lift your feet still.
I'm a baby.
And as we take our leave here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more exciting travel vlogs and adventure content. Walk good and tell them other one out.